mfethu into yakho mfethu uyenzile King. We represent South Coast mfethu to the fullest.
Kade silindile lethuba
mfethu ithini into mfethu masubuka ukuthi baningi South Coast abantu abantswempu kodwa bazothi hayi izwa umuntu mfethu mina benzowenza into engcono mina awusho struggle sakho sokuthi ugcina urephile la khona ezobona nomunye umuntu ukuthi ngisho kuthiwa ngabe ubona usutswempu nawe kodwa wena ukuthatheni ukuze uthole ithuba
njengoba bese sayikhuluma ngifikile izolo lapha ekhaya level around 12 o'clock
sure okay
ngaphula apha lana ngayithola indawo ngalinda-ke since isikhathi besi-limited and nami ngifike late so I had to sleep there at Durban then ngibuye ngakusasa namhlanje and I got in I killed it.
Uyibulela my King. Ufakazi King, ufakazi. So from now on uzothola iclip and then uzokwenzakalani?
Yeah, well vele thina bekhona into esiplana eqaleni vele into nje igoli yethu.
Sure.
So le iqhamuke eqaleni let's snatch it because izokwazi ukuthi didisa something sikwazi ukuplana izinto but yes singile
ngabona ipost yakho ukhuluma ngokuthi unino maraza ungasitshana something
awehande siyenze kanje so I was isho yakhetha on Saturday and then ngabuya because ngangizwa kwenye gig but they had an after party so after party they went to a studio session then I met the guy engihlangane naye mina kwisho yakhetha yabo sesihlangana ekhaya sengiqedile wonke ama-shows yabo then wangithatha wathi bale studio session ngale then I pulled up uMaraza was there Anzo was there Totozi Mncube was there yabo nje kumpeked nje amasiyana bebekhona beproduce nabo no-4 yeah so that way wahlanganiswa ingoma and then I had an input nami so I figured vele I should be on a song
wakhuluma i-energy
yes
kwakungayi ngokuthi uba unegama kunomunye
so kwaba nje into kanjalo
kodwa manje khona into esingayi-expecta from your session.
Yeah, well, I don't have full information because now I'm ngithathe lutho just the song lapha yana then
siyabonga ukuthi usi-update ngeprogress mfethu ukuthi makhona umuntu mhlawumbe esifisana sokubona wenza ingoma naye uma ukuthi sekunethuba elivelile uveze ukuthi hayi kwenzakalile noma kucishe kwenzakala kodwa besindawonye yabo
I'm still trying to reach your management kanjalo
hayi ngiriche ngoba vele ngoba sesiyakwazi sitholane kanje futhi sesiyazana it's a matter of ukuthi ngazi ukuthi mhlawumbe uplana ini lento ofisa ungifaka kuyona ngingakwazi ukuthi ngenze isikhathi for yona then siyenze lento la you need to ukuthi uyidonsise kakhulu King.
Salusi kakhulu nje yami.
Mfethu ngiyabonga.
Hey, small pizza,